the problem with problem solving. A solution masquerading as a problem statement. In agile methodology, the way you define a problem, it's not like a user button is not working. They always tell you to do, as a user who uses the system, I can't do A, I can't do B. So they remove all biases and preconceived notions about the problem. They just tell you the problem as it is. So what is the problem with the solution masquerading as a problem statement? And there's nothing wrong with it. That is how our clients communicate. So think of it like this, guys. You want to build a house and you have an architect. You have got an architect and an engineer to help you build the house. How are you going to tell, I want a house like this, I want the rooms like this? You're always going to look at somebody else's house and tell, I want my house to be like this, I want it to be 3 floors and I have a swimming pool inside and I need a waterfall and whatnot, right? Of course. But the engineer and architect, right, they have to be sensible enough to understand that you are building a house and they need to bring you down to reality. As soon as we take a solution that the client has presented, what we are assuming is, we are assuming competence, that the client is competent enough to have done half of our job, which is defining the problem, without any of our skills, which they are paying us to do our job. So no offense to any of the clients here. It's just that we believe them. That's the big problem with problem statement. What leads to this phenomenon? Assumption and familiarity, empathy or the lack thereof. You are the expert, but you don't act like one. Your job is not to just document requirements. Your job is not to just sell. Your job is not to write code. Your job is to work as a whole, and you guys are the experts. So never forget that.